This is a notification. It's a shark eating a shark. It's a shark eating a shark. Die, shark. Eat the shark, mister. Wow, what just happened down at the bottom? I'm gonna eat you. You dead. You dead. You dead. You dead. You dead. You dead. Well, I didn't see what just happened. You dead. Now you just saw what happened, man. Oh! Oh! Exit. Add. Covered content. I'm not. Whoa. Where's all the sharks at? Where's the sharks? Did I see any sharks, or was that just me, bruh? Or was that just me? Or was it just me, or was it me? Just where are the sharks? I'm hungry. I'm starving. Please, 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 please let me have a shark. Oh, finally, food. More food. Eat them all. Eat him. You dead, you dead. You dead. I'm hunger. I have hungered. Stop saying this. Not interested in any ads. No, not interested in ads. Well, hope you liked the first. Hold on. Anyways, who could have done this? Who could have murdered them? No, you see, me. So bye, guys. Hope you. Oh God. No, eat the shark. Eat the shark.